Prior to hosting a module where CU credit will be issued by the Connecticut Coaching Education Program to the attendees, you will need to submit the module for approval. Once the course is approved, you'll be provided access to download the PowerPoint presentation for the module, and the course will be added to your listing in the Eligibility Center, so you can submit the names of the attendees for credit once it's completed. To request approval for a module, go to the Coaches Workers Mods tab in the Eligibility Center. Then, click on the Submit Mod for Approval link under the Module Registration heading. You'll need to submit a separate request for each module. On the approval form, first select the module you'll be teaching from the pull-down. Once you select the module, the instructor pull-down will be populated with the names of all the authorized instructors for that module. If you are doing Module 15, the concussion module, you will also need to select the name of the authorized appropriate medical professional who will be assisting the instructor during the class. You'll also need to enter the date, start time, location, and expected number of attendees for the course in the appropriate fields. After you check the box stating that you understand and agree to the terms and conditions, a button will appear at the bottom which will allow you to submit your request. When your request is processed by the central office, you'll receive an email notification. If the course is approved, you will then be able to download the PowerPoint presentation for the course. To do so, go to the Downloads tab in the Eligibility Center. And click on the Download link for the course in the list. For all mods except for the concussion module, the download will be just a PowerPoint file. For the concussion module, which also contains videos, the download will be a zip file which will need special processing later. When you get the pop-up for the file download, which offers you the opportunity to either open it from the server or save it, you'll want to choose Save. Select a location where you'll be able to find the file later, such as your desktop, and click the Save button. After the download is complete, you'll be able to find the file on your desktop. You can then copy it to your flash drive or whatever else you might need to move it to a computer where you'll be using to teach the class. If the file you downloaded was from Mod 15, instead of being a PowerPoint file, the file will be a zip file, which will look like a folder with a zipper on it on your computer. Prior to using it, you need to extract the files from the zip file. In order to do so, double-click on the zip file to open it, and choose the Extract All Files option. Click on Next. Select the default option, which will create a folder with the same name as the zip file in the same location as the zip file, in this case on our desktop. Click Next. And the files will be extracted. You can then close the extraction wizard and close the folder for the zip file. You'll now see we have two folders on our desktop with the similar names, one with a zipper and one with an actual folder. The one that's the actual folder is the one that you're going to want to use. You can either copy this to your flash drive to move to your other computer, or if this is already the computer you're going to use it, you can just use it here. In order to use it, you open up the folder. You should see the three files, the PowerPoint file and the two videos. It's important that these files stay in the same location. If you move them to a folder, all three have to be in the same folder in order for PowerPoint to be able to find the videos and play them. Prior to doing your class, you're going to want to check their